In this video, I will show you how to find textile leather quality goods manufacturer on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Salva or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to find textile leather goods manufacturers on 1688 from China. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here, open my 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 app, it takes you to the home page on 1688. So for you to look for the textile manufacturer of goods, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to this particular point right here. Then take you to this particular page. On getting to this particular page, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then this is going to pump up. Then next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then it's going to take you right here. So all the textile manufacturers goods in China has been found in this category. So you can simply scroll down and look for any of the supplier you want to contact, just like so. Let's, for instance, if I want to contact this fabric textile manufacturer, so I'm going to click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it takes you to this particular sales page whereby you can check on detail about the factory. So you can see the variety product line right here. You can swipe this way and see more product line about the store. So this is a factory basically in textile goods. Okay, now one of the things you need to take into consideration before you can try to consider any manufacturer on 1688 is that you have to make sure that you consider their rating. The overstore rating here is 4 points, which is very much good. Another thing to consider here is the number of years they have been in operation is 8 years in 1688. And lastly, this symbol icon right here, it represents factory. So any sales page you see this particular symbol here, it means they are direct factory from China. So, and then another thing you can consider with them is their rating right here. They have 100 plus rating. So you can simply click on here and check on more rating about the store before you can go ahead and consider to patronize the factory. You can also scroll down here. This allows you to see products graphics detail, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see the detail about them. And also at this section here, this is the quality certified certificate from Chinese government. So you can scroll down and see more detail about the factory, just like so. Now, for you to contact the factory to make any inquiry about the product, you can simply click on here, right here. So when you click on that, it opens a chat box whereby you can start a conversation with the factory, just like so. So when it opens up this page, next thing you need to do, simply click on here. This will click on that. Then this will make the factory understand where you are coming from. Okay, so this is like a reference link. Okay, now when you get to this point, next thing you need to do is to simply start to chat with the supplier in China. Before you can chat with the supplier, you need to make, so what we need to do is to make sure we have Google Translate successful install on our phone. So I'm going to exit from here, then go to my Google Translate app, just like so. So this is my Google Translate app. Whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, you can get this app for free. Download, install on your phone. So I'm going to open up straight up. So because I have already downloaded and installed on my phone, next thing you need to do when you get to this point, make sure you change this language here to be English language as the default language. If you don't understand how to speak English, choose whatever language you understand. What you do here is to simply click on English. Then when you click on English, you see variety language that you can simply download and choose. But as for me, I'm putting it in English. Then the most important thing is that this should be in Chinese tradition. So next thing we want to do here is to come to the top right here and type in hello. Do you have these items in store? So we need to make inquiry because not every picture or video you see on the access page are actually available in store. So once you type, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to copy. Boom. So you have to head over back to 1688 just like so. So you can see the supplier here have started chatting me. So this is their message right here. Hello. So what we need to do now is to click on here and we click and hold down, paste the message and click on send just like so. Then in a few minutes or seconds, the supplier will get back to us. Then we can continue a conversation with that. Then when you receive a reply or a response from a supplier, it is your responsibility to translate to English language, most especially if you don't understand Chinese character. For you to do that, there are so many ways to translate from Chinese to English language. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to translate. So you can see the supplier respond right here. So what we want to do next is to see how we can translate this into English language or the language we understand. So for us to do that, first thing first, just screenshot this particular page, just like so. So after you are done with screenshot, next thing you need to do is to exit from the 1688 app, then you head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, this icon right here. Then select the picture, the screenshot, then choose translate. Just like so. Then you can be able to read the supplier response. Just like so. So this is the factory name and their profile picture. So this to tell you that this is their response. So what about that product? So they are asking question, which of the product are you talking about? So this is my message to them. Hello, do you have this product in store? So this is my message to them. So they now ask, what type of product are you talking about? This is because they are so much into different series of fabric products. So this is their welcoming message right here. So please tell us your customization needs, such as product size, quantity, packaging method, pattern size, fabric specification, etc. It is convenient for us to give you a quotation and confirm delivery date. Thank you. So this is to tell you that this factory here, they offer a customization as the case may be. If you want to go into a customization, you can contact them, tell them everything you need, and they will be glad to serve you better. So basically, this is how to find textile leaders, goods manufacturer on 1688 and import from China to any part of the world. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.